In this video, I'm going to show you how to capture lost time. Firstly, we're going to go down this side. We're going to click on KZN branch. We're going to then click on Durban plant. We're going to click on machine shop, and we're going to capture data for the lay 501. So we're going to click on lay 501. We're going to come down to the inputs. We're going to go down to the data capturing, and we're going to click on there. It will bring up this screen. We're going to select here. We're going to select the 6th of April. At the operator, I'm going to select Alan. At the shift, I'm going to select Durban day shift. So it will bring up this screen where previously we've captured data here for parts A and part B. We're going to click here on the lost time, and I'm going to go down to the minutes column next to the meetings line, and I'm going to double click over here. So then I'm going to say there was a meeting for 10 minutes. And here at the work elements, I'm going to double click again, and I'm going to say it was against part A. Then I'm going to go up, and I'm going to say we also had electrical breakdown. So I'm double clicking there, and I say 30 minutes of electrical breakdown. And again, I need to select a work element against which it was, and I would say part A. And then I'm going to move the mouse to this side, and I'm going to say save changes.